Federal law funnels claims for vaccine injuries to a government payment system and gives vaccine manufacturers special legal protections. What are the limits of those special protections? The United States Supreme Court explored this question in Bruesewitz v. Wyeth. The volume of lawsuits against vaccine manufacturers was causing them to stop making vaccines. Yet, injured children weren't getting much relief through those lawsuits. Congress enacted the National Childhood Vaccine Injury Act to address both problems. For injured children, the act created a no-fault administrative claim program that was funded by a tax on vaccinations. Under this program, a vaccine injury claim had to be filed initially with the United States Court of Federal Claims. A special master applied a table that listed known vaccine side effects, timeframes, and compensation amounts. If a claim fell within the table's variables, the listed amount was awarded to the claimant. If a claim didn't match the table, a claimant could still receive an award by using other evidence to prove that a vaccine had caused her injuries. Once a program determination was made, a claimant could either accept that determination or reject it and file a civil lawsuit against the manufacturer. However, if a claimant filed a civil lawsuit, the Act provided a special defense for the manufacturers. If a vaccine was properly manufactured and labeled, its manufacturer couldn't be held civilly liable for injuries caused by the vaccine's unavoidable side effects. 6-month-old Hannah Bruesewitz began having seizures shortly after receiving a vaccine. Bruesewitz experienced developmental delays and was diagnosed with residual seizure disorder. Bruesewitz's parents filed a vaccine injury claim on her behalf with the compensation program, but the claim was denied. Bruesewitz's parents filed a design defect lawsuit against Wyeth, the company legally responsible for her vaccine, alleging that the vaccine would have been safer if it had been made using a different design. The district court dismissed the lawsuit, finding that even if the vaccine had a defective design, the Vaccine Injury Act's special defense protected Wyeth from any civil liability for that defect. The Third Circuit affirmed the dismissal. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.